What's up all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm going to be transforming this old bed, this is a wooden bed, into a more modern and luxurious bed. So let's tune to the video. So now this is the before, how the bed is looking, and I'm going to be starting by disassembling it before I start the transformation process. Anyway, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always supporting us, coming back, watching our videos and liking them, commenting on them and sharing. Thank you so much. I do really appreciate your continued support. And if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome in our space. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload videos like this and more, because we have a lot of variety of DIYs videos in this channel. It's a wide range of things that we do. So you can also visit our channel after watching this video and you can entertain yourself or educate yourself on other of our DIYs that we have in this channel. Anyway, if this is the kind of DIYs that you like, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell down below. Back to the video. I'm just continuing making the new headboard, because you have seen in the beginning of the video that I did cut the headboard, and the reason why I do cut it is because it was curved, and I usually cut the curved headboard so that I can make a new one which is straight that I can work with. And then I've used contact glue to apply on the new headboard, also on the foam that you see me sticking there. And this design, my client specifically wanted a tufted headboard, so that is what I'm doing. I hope you are enjoying the video so far, and if you are enjoying it, don't forget to like it, don't forget to comment on it, tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. So here I'm just continuing making the headboard. This is the design, the tufting, and I'm taking the measurements before I start making the pattern. And the pattern, I'm going to be using these buttons with these strings. Also I have that big needle that I usually use while doing this tufting. So yeah, I'm just going to start making the tufted headboard. So keep watching the video, and if you have any question about the whole process, you can just comment down below and I'll get back to you. And also I have a surprise at the end of the video, so keep watching the video and watch the video till the end, because there is a small clip that I've inserted there at the end of this video whereby I did almost the same design, another client's bed which is almost the same design. So I just want you to watch the two videos and tell me which end product between the two beds that you have found it more attractive or more modern, or it's the best. Just tell me in the comment section which one is your favorite between the two beds, this one that I'm making and the small clips that I've inserted at the end of this video. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more.